This is a 2005 Toyota RAV4 with 86,000 miles. Perfect student vehicle in a price range you're not going to find for an 86,000 mile RAV4. Alloy wheels. Tires are in great shape. Rust-free Texas vehicle. Very clean for its age. Super clean for its age. Like all of our vehicles, we do 125-point pre-owned inspection on everything we sell. The vehicle is running in this video. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetic. The gray cloth interior is like new. Original floor mats, owner's manual, automatic transmission, AM, FM, CD, 86,000 miles, no cracked dash, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. Incredibly clean vehicle for its age. So this is a 2005 Toyota RAV4, two-wheel drive, 86,000 miles, perfect vehicle for student, and needs absolutely nothing.